Tesla filings suggest more battery manufacturing equipment for Fremont. Tesla has submitted a string of filings in the recent past related to expansion and upgrades at its original factory in Fremont, California. A few of these filings have pointed to various battery equipment, and it seems more may be going in soon, if not already. Tesla's Fremont factory is still cranking out EVs, as it's the only Tesla factory to produce all 4 models. However, the company had already outgrown the space years ago, expanding the best it could and adding tents. More recently, Tesla has been submitting paperwork with the city of Fremont for projects at the EV plant. The automaker aims to produce battery packs on the second floor of the factory. And it seems there are 2 lines going in, one general line and one that's specifically for battery pack production for the upcoming Tesla Cybertruck. The filings name the first battery pack line Pack B build. Later filings added information about the Cybertruck pack line, referring to it as CTA Battery B build. Not long after we learned that the battery plans were underway for the Cybertruck, Tesla filed to move equipment on the second floor. The filing made it quite clear that the nature of the job was to move equipment to make more space available, though it didn't share why the additional space was needed. According to Teslarati, the equipment space moves on the second floor of the Tesla Fremont factory may already be complete, or at least well underway. That filing was dated April 21, 2023. A week later, on April 28, another filing appeared showing that Tesla plans to complete the installation of some new equipment. The filing calls it a tooling package, and includes the following information. New manufacturing equipment adjacent to existing equipment on second floor of assembly building. Clearly, it's manufacturing equipment of some sort and it's being put in on the second floor near the other equipment, which is all battery related, as far as we understand. It will be interesting to finally learn from Tesla what is happening with battery pack production in Fremont, in general, and for the Cybertruck. As more information becomes available, we'll keep you apprised. Source: reposted and summarized from Stephen Loveday at Inside EVS.